Hi friends, welcome to module 2 setting up our Linux VM. So how you can access your Linux OS and how you can make it set up for your labs. So there are total three options. So first one is you may use cloud such as Azure, Google or AWS to purchase a Linux VM and use it for your lab. You can select pay as you go model so that you will not incur any extra costs. So when you will not use them, make sure to deallocate them or stop them so that they will not cost you for any compute cost. The second one is you may install directly on your OS, which is not recommended and it will affect your all files and folders. And the third and ultimate method is to use your computer's virtual environment to create a Linux VM and use it as your lab. So on the system, you should have a virtualization enable. So we will look for all these aspects. So I am sure that you guys all are having different type of OS questions. So let's get it discussed. So first one is for Windows OS, how you can set up your VM on your Windows platform. So the first option is new feature of Windows called WSL, which stand for Windows Subsystem for Linux. So by enabling this feature, you can directly install Linux OS on your Windows operating system. And the second one is you may use your Hyper-V with Oracle VirtualBox to create a Linux VM. And for Mac and other operating system is the same as the second option for Windows OS. You may use your Oracle VirtualBox to create a VM and set up your own lab environment. In the next lecture, I will start setting up my Linux OS by using new Windows feature called WSL. So take care for now and thank you.